Hi everyone, if you want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro, most tutorials show you every single button you will never even use. I am only going to show you the 12 that actually matter. Forget the rest. I have been editing for 8 years. I have watched expensive courses and I have removed all the useless stuff. The guide tour is only 15 minutes, and if you make it to the end, you will learn Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First thing you need to understand, Premiere has over 100 buttons. You only need 12. Let me show you each one. Number 1. Selection tool. Shortcut V. That's the arrow at the top of your toolbar. You use this to click on clips, moves them around and select the things. Click on a clip, drag it to different spot. That's it. This is the tool you use 80% of the time. Number 2. Razor tool. Shortcut C. Need to cut a clip into 2 pieces? Press C on your keyboard. Your cursor turns into a little razor blade. Click anywhere on a clip. Boom, one cut. Wants to cut again? Click again. To go back to the selection tool, press V. Number 3. Track select forward. Select A. This one saves so much time. Press A. Now click on any clip in your timeline. Everything to the right of that clip gets selected. Every clip, every gap, everything. Now you can drag them all together. Delete them or move them as a group. One click, that's it. Number 4. Hands tool. Shortcut H. Press H on your keyboard. Your cursor turns into a little hand. Now click and drag left or right. You will move your whole timeline view. Super useful when you are zoomed in and need to scroll around. Number 5. Zoom tool. Shortcut Z. Press Z on your keyboard. Your cursor becomes a magnifying glass. Click anywhere on your timeline. You zoom in. Hold the Alt key and click. You zoom out. That's all. These 5 tools, they will handle 90% of your work. Memorize the shortcuts V, C, A, H and Z. Practice them for one day and they will become muscle memory. Now the other 7. These aren't tools. They are panels, settings and shortcuts. Number 6. Effect control panel. Look at the top left area of Premiere. You will see a tab that says Effect Controls. Click on it. Now select any clip in your timeline. This panel shows you everything about that clip. Position, scale, opacity, rotation. Want to make a clip smaller? Change scale. Want to rotate it? Change the parameters of rotate function. Want to fade it? Change opacity. This is where the real editing happens. No other panel gets used more than this. Number 7. Lumetric color. Next to the effect control, you will see Lumetric color. Click that tab. This is for color correction. I only touch 3 things here. Exposure, make your video brighter or darker. Contrast, make the dark parts darker and the light part lighter. Saturation, make colors pops or fade. That's it. Ignore the curves, the wheels and the color grading for now. Exposure, contrast and saturation. Learn these 3 and your footage will look 10 times better. Number 8. Essential graphics. Look for the tab that says Essential Graphics. If you don't see it, go to Window at the top, then choose Essential Graphics. This is where text and graphics live. You will see a bunch of templates, title, lower third and credits. Find one you like, drag it onto your timeline above your video. Double click the text in the preview window, type whatever you want. You just added text to your video. Number 9. Audio track mixer. Look at the bottom right, you will see a panel called Audio Track Mixer. Or go to the window and select it. See those vertical sliders. Each one controls the volume of tracks. Track 1 is usually a dialogue or a main audio. Drag the slider down to make it quieter. Drag it up to make it louder. That's all you need for now. No compression, no EQ, no noise reduction, just the volume slider. Number 10. Export settings. You have finished editing. Now you need to save your video as a file. Press Ctrl M on your keyboard. The export window opens. Look at the top. Format. Change this to H.264. This is the standard for YouTube, Instagram and everywhere. Below that, click on the video tab. Look for the resolution. Set it to 1080p. Look for frame rate. Set it to 30. That's it for export settings. Memorize these settings: H.264, 1080p and 30 fps. Number 11. The most important shortcut key in every Adobe software, the undo key. Shortcut Ctrl+Z. What happens if you press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard? You will make mistakes. Everyone does. Delete the wrong clips, then press Ctrl+Z. Apply a bad effect, Ctrl+Z. This is your best friend. You can press it multiple times to go back many steps. Number 12. The save key. Press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Do this every 5 minutes. I am serious. Premiere crashes sometimes. If you haven't saved, you lose all your work. Press Ctrl+S. Do it now. Do it again in 5 minutes. Make it a habit. These 12 things, tools, panels, shortcuts. That's all you need to start editing. Practice them for 1 week. Open Premiere every day. Use each of these 12 things at least once. After 7 days, you will have learned Premiere Pro. That was your Premiere Pro 2026 guide tour. Only 15 minutes, only 12 buttons. Let me quickly recap. 5 tools: selection, razor, track select forward, hand and zoom. 7 other things: effect control, lumetric color, essential graphics, audio track mixer, export settings, undo and save. Now it's your turn. Open Premiere Pro, create a new project. Import a random video or just record something on your phone. Use these 12 things 5 times. Cut a clip, move it. Change its opacity, add text, adjust volume and export. Do it again. And hi, if you forget any button or a shortcut, pause this video, rewind, watch the part again or comment below and I will answer you. My name is Jahanzeb. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with your friends who want to learn editing. And in the next video, I will show you the right way to set up sequence. No more blurry exports, no more mismatched settings. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.